We're Mel and Paul, and this is our home. We're slowly fixing her up and doing our best to have a good time doing it. This is our version of boat life. Subscribe and welcome aboard. Welcome back. We are up and at 'em, headed out to get some coal. We normally buy a ton amongst a few other people in the marina and then share it out, and it works out super cheap. But it's a little bit too close to that warm weather that's looming, so we kind of thought that we'd last, but we're not gonna. So we're gonna head out, I think to B&Q or something like that, and get 2 or 3 bags just to last us for the rest of the cooler days. They kind of go up and down. Who knows what's going on with this weather. Should you bring a mask?
I think I've got one in the car.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. It's been upwards of 12, 13 degrees lately, but today we're back down to 9. So Paul's gone in to do the shopping for the coal. I just went to Tesco's before we got here to the B&Q, and definitely not used to actually being out on the weekends and seeing the general public. It's gonna take some getting used to adjusting to normal life when all of this lockdown business ends. We definitely like things quieter, let's say. While I'm sitting here in the car though, we are getting the coal, as I said, because it's just not quite spring/summer weather yet. Look at the forecast for the coming week. So we've got obviously today, which is actually going up to an 11 there at 4 o'clock. Might take my walk then. But yeah, so looking good through the week. Tuesday, highlight. How's that, hey? 21 degrees, full sun, like amazing. And then let's just have a look there where we are going to on Monday with a 50% chance of snow. Seriously? When Paul got out the car now, he said to me, he's like, what exactly am I getting? Is it just, and I was like, I don't even know. I can't tell you how much coal or logs or anything to get, because we're having a week. We're on one day, we are having summer weather, and then it's going right down the toilet, and we can expect snow. Got the goods. It's a little bit hectic.
Understatement. There's like people just going everywhere. People with no masks on. People just
I think it's also harder because we've been out of it for so long.
Yeah. Just ridiculous.
Delivery is the way.
Oh.
Take us back to the boat.
Yeah.
Take us back to the boat. So in other fire related news, we bought our little stash to get us through the last of the weirdo weather and cold spells. We picked up these new logs. As I said, we normally order coal by the ton and then sort of get it together with a bunch of other people on our jetty. These home fire heat logs. We chucked one on yesterday with some coal that was existing on the fire, and Paul could actually sort of smell like the paint on the wall starting to, yeah, just not smell normal, and it was getting like a little bit too hot. Kind of like an intense situation, so we had to calm the fire down and yeah, just sort of dab down the wall and cool everything down just as a precaution. It was kind of scary thinking that could heat up that quickly. So what we've done is Paul's actually sawed these in half, so they come double the size. That's the full size there. And we are now putting on the half size one because they get super warm. So I don't know if anyone else has tried these, but if you're gonna, tread cautiously. As I'm sure you can tell by now, not much is going down this weekend on the front of the boat. It will need to be seen to soon enough though, along with another long list of things that we need to get to. We've just been sitting here discussing a list of boat jobs that need seeing to, mostly because our boat safety certificate is going to be expired soon and we need to get on top of things.
I was watching Formula 1 in silence because we're filming.
And there you have it, guys. The real reason why no boat work is getting done this weekend. The Formula 1. Who's in the lead?
Hasn't started yet.
Oh, we were watching this yesterday and today and it hasn't started yet?
Build up, build up.
Build up, build up.
Build up to the main event.
OMG. The wind is blowing pretty strong, so that might come through on the camera, but it is the first sort of legit sunny day that we've had in a very long time. It's a Monday, so Paul's been at work all day, I've been inside editing, but we've come out just to watch the sunset and catch the last bit of the sun. And on top of that, we've had another delivery from just the most wonderful people. So we have some South African specialities in the form of an amazing savannah, and we've got a little rationing of biltong over there. We're going to take everything a little bit slow, make sure it lasts. I don't know if you can hear Paul in the background as well, he's chatting on the phone. Yeah, spring is in the air, guys, and gets everyone excited, hey? Degrees. Can you believe it? Last night was such a nice evening, and oh, it's really amazing what the weather does to lift the spirits. This vlog is likely to be very sporadic. We've been picking up the camera at very odd times, but not much went down this last weekend, so we didn't get the chance to wrap it up. And that's how we film. If something's happening, we'll catch it for you. But you have me today, and I can't say I'm upset about it, because who wouldn't want to film some stuff on this day and just remember it? Because as I said in the beginning of this video, there is some cooler weather coming, so let's live in the moment and enjoy. Now, while I absolutely am desperate to get outside, there are some jobs that need to be done. We have a team of people coming to do sort of a relaxed interview for the Aquavista, the owners of this sort of chain of marinas, I guess you could call it, coming to do a little interview with me on the boat tomorrow. And so it is time for a literal spring clean on an actual spring day. An even bigger job that, to be honest, I don't know why it hasn't been done up until now. The wall behind me is still curtainless, and we've just had the frames lying bare since we had all the leaks and stuff. And you know, no one comes on this boat except us, so we kind of just got lazy and never put them back up. So I am gonna do that. So lots to be done and lots to get busy with. I'm gonna get stuck in. Talking about it on video is actually only delaying it further, and the sooner I get that done, perhaps I can get in a quick walk before Paul comes home, and then do the most important bit, have another sundowner outside and just feel so grateful for this perler of a day. Doesn't that look so much better? This was one of those jobs where once it's done you kind of have to ask yourself, what the hell took me so long to get that done? In other springtime jobs, I have this wad of vacuum packed summer clothing. Some of it's Paul's, some of it's mine, and I now need to find a space for this, and it's naturally gonna blow up to double its size once I open this baby up. But yeah, we'll need to find space, because when I yanked this out about 2 weeks ago. I actually did it because I needed space under the dinette, and so that means I have zero clue how I'm gonna make this fit, but yeah, must be done. Well, you're in for a treat. I've just found my summer hat collection. This guy was hiding in there. He's been featured quite a lot as of late in our videos, and you best believe that if at any point Paul and I bring out some sort of a line of merch, that a hat of this style will surely be included. enough spring cleaning for me. I'm not actually finished, I still have to do the floors, but I am desperate to get out there, so it's time to go for my walk. And I've put on some summer gear. Technically this is actually Paul's summer gear. I found it in the bag and thought it was nice, so I'm adopting it. I'm sure he won't mind. And yeah, gonna get out there in the sun. Basically also just biding time until he gets back. I know that I'm normally the one doing a lot of the talking on these vlogs, but his presence is always in the background and I really just miss him and feel quite weird filming this content on my own. So it is time to get out of here, and then we'll be one little step closer to him coming back from work and having those drinks. It's enough waffling, let's get out of here. Full time. We are one drink in. I'm popping inside to get some refills and get some more snacks. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. As always, we love having you here. Please don't forget to give this video a good old thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you haven't yet already, please do subscribe. It's for free and it's the best way you can support our channel. I literally just can't say enough how much I've had a smile on my face today. This weather has been really, really brilliant. It's going away for a while, but it will be back and we're excited. So those of you that are going out cruising, or if you have been already, happy cruising. Hope you enjoy, and until the next one, see you then.